Well, the ladder connection here with the rubber strap that holds the ladder in place busted on mine. It busted up here, it busted here, the whole rubber thing's gone. So I rigged this up to replace it. Basically what I did is I drilled a hole in the side of this stainless piece here, put a bolt through it, put like a cable strap around there. It's got rubber edges on it. Took a piece of bungee, cut it to length, put a knot, put this screw all the way through like this. Got this spacer here just from a junk drawer, just a piece of plastic. It's pretty stiff, so it sticks out a little bit. And then voila, it's gonna be my thing to hold the ladder in so it doesn't go flying out in the water. Should be out of the way, easy to use. Hope that helps. Have a great day.